Welcome to the Coastal Range. At Coastal Range Equipment, we want to make getting outside lighter, easier, and more convenient, which is why we're building the lightest weight, easiest to use camping stove you can find. Whether you're car camping with friends or through hiking solo, the Coastal Range Backpacker has the pot capacity and cooking speed you expect in a high-performance camping stove, with the lightweight and compact storage that makes it easy and convenient to store in your pack without weighing you down. Hi, I'm John Peretti, the founder of Coastal Range Equipment, a company I started because I have years of experience designing award-winning camping stoves, and I wanted to build something better than anything I had made before. To design the Backpacker, I started with the concept I know best, the integrated camping stove. And I asked two simple questions. What matters most to campers and backpackers, and how do we deliver the performance they need in the lightest weight, simplest way possible? Answering these questions led me to build a stove that lights with a single click, boils a ½ liter of water in 2.5 minutes, and at just 9.2 ounces is light enough for any solo trip, but with a 1.2 liter pot that gives you added flexibility to cook larger meals for groups. What you're looking at here is the first sample stove produced by my partner factories, and with your support, we can take the next step. We have a vision of making the outdoors more accessible and more convenient by making lighter weight, easier to use gear. With your backing, we can place our first production order to help make that vision a reality. Thank you.